We had come to capture the pristine nature, the towering Zagros Mountains and the crystal-clear river. But what we witnessed was a masterpiece. Right in the heart of this flowing river, a nomadic man and his children were carrying out a special mission, Operation Sheep Bathing. The kids try to take on the task without any help from the adults. But what seemed like a simple water play quickly turns into a tough and exhausting job. Yet, they have the spirit of nomads, swear resilience, and battling the forces of nature are a way of life. The brave young boy leads the first sheep into the water, but his little sister hesitates, worried. She calls for their father, and now the hero of the story steps in. With his experience, the father takes control of the situation, and the operation continues. Yes, you saw it right. These sheep seem to be getting ready for a very important event. But in reality, washing the sheep is not just about keeping them clean, it's essential for their health. This process helps remove parasites and keeps their skin in good condition. The sheep, well, they have no choice but to surrender. nomads travel hundreds of kilometers alongside their herds, constantly searching for better pastures and milder climates. And after this refreshing river bath, their journey must go on.